We're going to continue talking about regrouping today. And as a reminder, regrouping is the act of making groups of 10 to help with addition or subtraction. So it's that carry over, regroup. We're not necessarily borrowing because we're not giving it back. We're regrouping it and we're taking our 10 rods up to the next column because in each section you can only have ones cubes. You cannot have 10 rods. You can have hundreds, flats. You can only have cubes down below. So we are going to look at word problems today. And word problems are math problems that are just lengthened. You have to read to find your numbers. So instead of giving you 24 plus 6, they're going to say, Miss Sullivan has 24 pencils. She buys 6 more. How many does she have altogether? And that is what a word problem is. So you have to circle your numbers in it. You're going to underline the question. You're going to box in keywords. So those are the addition words like add, find the sum, add and, all together, total, in all. Those are the math words that are going to tell you, hey, you need to add these numbers up. The E stands for eliminate and evaluate. They might put some goofy information in there for you that actually has nothing to do with the problem. And if that's the case, you can just cross it out. And then the S, solve and check. Solve and show your work. I like to say the S is for show your work because that's always important to do. And then check it. If you're kind of second guessing yourself, you can go back and say, maybe I should spend a little bit more time on this. So let's look at our first example. 124 students bought hot lunch at Lyons Elementary School, and 238 students packed a lunch from home. How many students ate lunch all together? So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to circle the numbers. 124 students bought lunch, and 238 did that. Okay, so did that. Check. I'm going to underline the question. How many students ate lunch all together? Check. Boxing keywords. So these are the adding words, my math words that tell me I'm going to add. Students bought there, that packed a lunch. How many students ate lunch all together? So all together tells me, hey, I need to add. You can put a little plus sign there too to help remind yourself. Eliminate. Purple. I don't really care about their school name. I don't need to know that. I don't need to know if it's hot lunch or home lunch. I just need to know how many ate lunch. So solve and check. Let's see. I have 124 plus 238. So my first column, I'm going to start my ones. I have 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Put my 2 down below. Carry my 10 rod up. 3, 4, 5, 6. And then 2 plus 1 is 3. So 362 students ate lunch that day at school. So I used my steps. I used cubes to help me solve my word problem. Let's do another one. 844 Cardinal fans and 797 Eagle fans are going to the football game on Sunday. How many fans are going all together? So first thing, circle my numbers. Check. Underline my question. How many fans are going all together? Check. Box in keywords. All together, once again, tells me I'm going to add. It's a goofy plus sign. And then eliminate anything. I can spend time. I don't need to worry about eliminating right now. If I wanted to, I could cross off Cardinals fans, Eagles, because we're just talking about fans in general. And then solve and check. So 844 plus 797. So I'm going to look at my ones column. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 10, 1, carry my 1 up. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Oh no, I have to regroup again. 4 goes down below. Carry that rod up. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So I put a 6, 1, and I have to put a comma because it's thousands. So 1,641 fans are going to that football game. Sometimes you have to regroup more than once, just like I did here. I had to regroup more than once. I had to carry over and regroup that 10 rod. Today, you are going to, on Canvas, be solving 4 word problems. You're going to use cubes, okay? You're going to use cubes to solve them. So I want to see you circling numbers, underline the question, boxing in the keywords, and I even put cubes on the side for you so you could remember it. You're solving 4 word problems. And I want you to pay close attention to the numbers and pay close attention to how you're adding. Be sure to show all your work, and once again, use cubes. I know it might be goofy. I know you might be like, oh, I'm solving, I really don't want to, but it's going to help us out.